Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your Clash Royale application. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Clash Royale application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Clash Royale and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Update button right next to the application to update the application. While updating the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is updated, tap on Play button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to update your Clash Royale application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.